Okay guys, we're here at Almaden Lake today. Very pressured body of water. These are setups right now. We have a blue green pumpkin bandito bug on the Lews Mach crush. We have a S waver on the Curado favorite rod, and we have the Lews carbon fiber speed spool with a little wacky rig thing, but we're probably gonna switch that off later when we find some bed fish. There are a ton of fish bedding at Almaden right now, but the water is well, the water's super clear, but it's not very, it's kind of windy right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to see the fish. And there's been tons of lines that these fish have seen in the past few weeks, so we'll see how we do. I got it on camera at least.
Dude, okay, now I see why Riff is getting frustrated. Okay, I thought you were just like hallucinating the fish, because I didn't think you were hallucinating.
My vision is like 20/40 vision, bro.
I didn't think that the...
Oh, but that was... Oh!
Camera back and just see that thing.
We will, in the car.
Well, it'd be better if we just caught it. How big would that bass be, like, compared to your record bass?
Like...
Is that even close? Or
like...
no?
3/7 of the size.
Oh. Is it back? It's probably gone. Do you see it? It's probably gone after that.
That just hurts.
I would
hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Dipping. I would not blame the fish for dipping after that one. Is it gone?
Gotta go and come back for it. Did you see how weak that hook set was? Did you see how weak that thing was? I was like, eh. Like 5. Watch me catch one. Yeah, there's 4. There's 4 or 5. I'm about to catch one. Watch. See that big one to the left?
Yeah, and I see a little one right to the... Oh, it's about to go for it. It's going towards it. It's gonna, yeah, it's literally looking at it. Dude, what?
Dude, sent it, bro. Freaking wussy, bro.
Let's just hop the... Oh,
you're allowed to hop the fence. It's probably capped, but it's fine. Oh, big one. Oh, yeah.
Big. That might be the size of the ball. Yeah.
So don't go down. Don't go down. Stay up here.
Actually, yeah, it's easier to see. Where did it go?
Oh, he's going for the lure. He's going for the lure. No, he's not.
Dude, these fish are so docile. Here, we need a different lure for this.
Oh, one's coming for it. One's coming for it.
Wait, going up to it. We need like something smaller.
This is like literally the smallest lure you can ever throw. Hey, you jig this, Matthew?
Yep.
Slowly jig this. I don't throw mine. Let it sink. Let it sink. And try to take it. I'll throw the one that got the other fish.
It's literally right on my lure, bro. It's like right on it, bro.
Then jig it.
This, are you sure you don't have a smaller lure than this? It's just too big, bro. They don't want to do this. Nah, I'm just gonna slow.
The next day.
Oh my god, I wasn't recording, but a thing chased me all the way up to the bank. Holy fuck. Yep. Have me. Fish, that's me. Oh yes. That's why I fish in the rain, guys. That's why I fish in the rain. Been here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's pouring rain. I'm soaked. Now I'll try the fish, guys. Yes. I was reeling in a shaky head. Little zoom worm. Wait a second, guys. There's a beauty, guys. Not huge, but not a bad fish. I'm gonna get a photo and we'll get a release. Okay, guys, flipped the wrong way, but let's get a release on you. Beautiful fish, got a 2-pounder. Let's get a release. Oh yeah. Ooh, took many hours and it is freaking pouring. I'm soaked. Yes. Okay, guys, we got one of the Almaden today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is freaking pouring right now. Camera probably has droplets on it, but we got one fish. We got it on the shaky head with a little zoom finesse worm. Trying out the Swimbait, but I didn't get nothing on that one. I was burning it in, like just cranking it in, and as I was doing that, I had something right at the bank, something waked it, but I wasn't filming. Started filming, dropped right back in there, hooked him up by a 2-pounder. It's a nice fish. Overall, a good day.
Subscribe, please.